Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, fluffy pancakes with an easy guide. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. Having everything at room temperature helps create a smooth batter. Now let's mix our batter. Start by whisking your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt together in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine the egg, milk, and melted butter, whisking until smooth. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently with a spatula or wooden spoon until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are good. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so stop as soon as the flour is moistened. It's time to cook. Heat your griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water. They should dance. Lightly grease the pan with butter or oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving space between them. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form on top and the edges look dry. Then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready. For the best experience, serve them immediately. If you're cooking a larger batch, you can keep them warm in an oven set to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy them with your favorite toppings, like rich maple syrup, fresh fruit, or a swirl of whipped cream. This easy recipe makes about 8 4-inch pancakes, perfect for sharing with 3 or 4 people. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.